Okay, potato.
I have a burger.
What? Oh, a small burger. Is it a toy burger?
No,
Is it a
isn't.
toy? Oh, okay. So potato. Are you
Wendy.
not yet ready? Okay, not yet ready.
Wendy.
Okay.
We have a candy.
A candy?
Yeah, it's a candy.
Oh, it's a candy. So it can still be eaten. Okay. Tell me if you're now ready to listen. Are you now ready? Can we continue now? Okay, good. Now here, since you are done answering, we are going to check your word. Number 4A, we have here, very good. It's a beach. You call it a beach because there's a sand. Next, number 4B, it's still a beach. Number 4C is still a beach. Number 4D is called fun fair. Very good, potato. You now know what's a fun fair. Next, number 5. You don't have answer number 5. Look at the number 5 potato. Look, the answer here is still a mountain. Oh, they are playing in the mountainside. Next, stair, letter B, correct. Letter C is a lift. Very good. And letter D, we still have mountain. Very good, potato. You are able to answer the following correctly. Okay, great job. Now, potato, let's do movers tip. It is speaking part 3. Any reason for saying why one of the picture is different is acceptable. You just have to say why you chose that picture, okay? Potato, this time you're going to tell me why the picture is different, okay? Now here, okay, look at pictures in number 1. What are the pictures in number 1, potato? What's letter A? Can you please read the teacher? It's a. Letter A is you call it a playground. Again, a. But,
Playground.
okay, letter B. How about letter B, potato? It's a. Oh, you play later. You listen to teacher first. Letter B. What's letter B? It's
A shop.
shop. Correct. Letter C. Potato. How about letter C? A.
Open.
A cinema. And letter D is
Hospital.
okay, a hospital. Potato. We have a playground, a shop, a cinema, and a hospital. Which one, potato, do you think is different?
A playground.
Okay, a playground. Why do you think playground is different? Why it's different?
No.
You don't know. Oh, you read this one first. Okay, please read. The
Because
playground.
it's outside. The shop is separate and the hospital is outside. They are inside.
Very good. So as you can see, a shop, a cinema, and a hospital, potato, they are found inside, while a playground is found in the outside. That's why it's different. Okay, next, potato. Can you please read what are the pictures in number 2? A, B, C, and D. Okay, how about pictures number 2? Letter A, B, C, and letter D. Can you please read to teacher what are these words? We have letter A, we have a supermarket. Letter B, what's letter B, potato? What's letter B?
A pub.
A market. Next, a shop and a, how about letter D? What's letter D?
A pub.
Okay, it's a car park. Potato, we have here supermarket, market, shop, and car park. Which one potato is different? Can you tell teacher? Which one is different? Letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D?
Letter D.
Letter D. Why the car park is different? It's because
Because car park is outside.
oh the
Market or shop is inside.
oh, very good. Next, okay. Next, potato. How about number 5? What are the words in number 5? Please read the words in number 5. A mountain. Go. Please read. A mountain.
Then a stairs left a mountain.
Okay, a mountain, stairs, lift in the mountain. Which one is different?
There.
It's the stairs. Why stairs is different, potato?
Because there is that inside.
Because stairs is inside. How about the lift? Lift is also inside. Look at where they're going. Look at the people. Are they going down or going up? Look at there. Look at the difference, potato. Which one is different? Okay,
And
look at.
left is different.
Okay, left is different. Why it's different? Because
Because
why? Because come on.
because
Huh? It's going. Where is it going?
because it's lên là gì nhỉ?
Going.
Going no.
Going up. Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow, potato. The lift is going up while the people in the mountain, yeah, stairs and this letter D mountain, the people are going down while the lift going up. That's why it's different. Okay, so here, potato, let's read. Read the story, choose a word from the box, and write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. Okay, potato, I have here the words sunny, sandwiches, give, afraid, work, walk, loud, lake, and doctor. Potato, listen. We are going to arrange these words so that we would be able to create the correct story. Okay, potato, please read. Fred and Grace, or read slowly, not so fast. Go.
Tom Collins bought on Sunday.
Huh?
Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
On
now.
Sunday.
Sunny days. They sometimes go.
They sometimes go to the bar.
Rides.
Right, either country last they roll a little and I pick about rock.
Oh, wait me. Potato, what's the answer number 1? Last Saturday, they rode to a little blank and jumped about on the rocks. What's the answer? They rode to a little. What is it? A sunny lake. Okay, your answer number 1 is lake. Go. And jumped. Come on, potato, read. And jumped about on the rocks.
On the rock. Next
Fred saw.
Next to the water. Fred saw 3 dogs. Mom, come here, Dad. He become very afraid.
Afraid. Okay.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about.
About dog now, Fred. Grace said, let's sit
Let's.
down on our work. We will
I've
offer
got.
you Denmark today. Do you want some? She asked. Yes, I will told Steven answered. Let's eat
All
turkey.
our cheese. What's the answer? Let's eat our cheese.
Our cheese sandwich.
Okay, cheese
No,
sandwiches.
no.
It's not sandwiches.
Cheese.
Cheese. What is the answer?
Guess now.
She's loud. Are you sure?
Just guess.
This is number 3. Loud.
Yes.
Oh, listen. Let's eat all our cheese loud. You cannot eat the loud. Okay, cheese sandwiches. Okay, this is number 3. Okay, next. Grace took, come on, Grace took.
From a phone back.
Look,
He said,
those ducks.
fighting now. They can see our picnic. Let's feed them.
We can. What is it? We can. We can blank them some of our bread. What's the answer? We can.
Yes.
Give. Okay, we can give some of our bread. Next. Good. Let's read. Good idea. Said Fred.
Come on, you silly duck.
There's lots
of you to eat here.
Hmm.
I don't animal red louder. I want to be
I want to be a
doctor.
Okay, doctor. All right. I'll read. One day.
One day, but I like to help sick animals get better more than people. Okay.
Okay, Potato, are you now ready to check your work?
Yeah.
Ready. Okay. Listen to me as we check your work. Listen. Fred and Grace lived in town center, but on sunny days, they sometimes go for bike rides in the countryside. Last Saturday, they rode to a little, look at the answer. Number 1 is very good. It's a lake, correct. And jump about the rocks next to the water there. Fred saw 3 ducks on the small island. Come here, ducks, he shouted. But the ducks didn't come because they were number 2. The answer number 2 is very good. It's afraid of the noise. Don't worry about ducks now, Fred. Grace said, let's sit down on our rug. I've got some apple juice in my bag to drink. Do you want some? She asked. Yes, I'm really thirsty. Fred answered. Let's eat all our cheese. I could sandwiches now too. Grace took the food out of her bag. Look, he said, those ducks aren't frightened now. They can see our picnic. Let's feed them. We can. Look at the answer number 4. We can. Very good again. Girl. Very good, Potato. You know the answer. You understand the story. We can give them some of our bread. Good idea, said Fred. Come on, you silly ducks. There's lots of for you to eat here. I love apples. Grace laughed. I want to be a doctor one day. Very good, Potato. but I'd like to help sick animals get better. Okay, very good. Check number 1, check number 2, correct number 3, correct number 4, and very good number 5. Very good, Potato. Great job. You were able to get perfect score in this story. It means that you understand the story. Congratulations. Potato, what do you think is the best name of the story? What's the best name? Is it Grace New Bike, Mom Has a Picnic, or Fred's Duck Friends?
Friends are friends.
Okay, let's check. The correct answer is correct. It's Fred's Duck Friends. Great job, Potato. Okay, here, Potato. Let's complete about the story with no more than 3 words. Look at number 1. Please read. The children. Come on, please read.
The children went to the forest on Sunday.
Ah, sunny morning. Oh, wait, Saturday. Next, they went there on their. What do they use to go there? What do they ride? Did they use car or no?
No.
It's here. Bike. Okay, let's check. Very good. It's bikes. Correct. Next, the children saw 3 ducks. It's not sock, it's duck on a. Where did they find the duck? Where did they find the duck? They saw the 3 duck on a where? Potato. Where did they find the duck? On the lake. Oh, very good. Small island or lake. It's okay. Next, number 4. The children put a blanket on the grass and sat down. What did they put on the grass? What did they put on the grass, Potato? They put? Huh? It's here. Picnic. They put picnic on the grass. It's, what's this? Please read. It's the rug. Yeah, because they're going to have a picnic. Okay. Next, Potato, number 5. Number 5. Fred and Grace drank some. Potato, what did they drink? Drank some blanc and ate their blanc. What did they drink? Apple juice. And they ate their, what did they eat? Oh, very good. The cheese sandwiches. Correct. Next, the children gave ducks some. What did they give to the ducks? They give some. What did they give, Potato, to the duck? Again, come again.
Bread.
Bread. Okay, very good. Potato, you're so good. Very good in comprehension. You were able to understand. Oh, we finished the lesson number 20, but we still have time. Let's do unit 21, okay? Wait for teacher. Let's do unit 21. Okay, Potato, what is unit 21? Please read. It's called Here and There in. Here and There in. Please read, Potato. Okay, here, there, in town. All right, potato, what's the first word we have here is? Can you please tell teacher what's the first word given? Come on. Word
Good.
one, cafe. Very good. Number two, we have, what's two? Potato, what's word number two?
Cafe.
Two, second word.
Vegetable.
Okay, vegetable. And the third word?
Tea.
Correct. Very good. Next, what's this? Large. Okay. What is the large animal that you can see in the picture? What animal is large? It's the elephant. What's this? It's an
Big.
elephant. Again, elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah. Have you seen a real elephant?
Dog.
Yeah. Is it so big? Is it large?
Yes.
Yes. Which one is bigger? Potato or the elephant? Who's bigger? Potato or elephant?
Me.
You? You're bigger than the elephant?
Me here. With me.
Uh, uh. Potato is bigger or larger than the elephant? Oh, that's the elephant. And potato, how big is? Oh, that's you. That's you. You are bigger than the elephant? Oh no, potato is larger than the elephant. Oh no. Okay. Next, potato. What's the second word? Very good, potato. Okay, second, opposite. Again.
Opposite.
Yes, opposite. It means soft, hard, large, small. That's different. They are called opposite. Next, potato. What's the third word we have? Clown. All right. We have large, opposite, and clown. Now here, potato. Where can we go to these things in town? Potato, where can we go for a swim? Where can we swim? In the potato. Where can we go for a swim? Yeah, where can we? Yeah, swim. Where can we go to swim? Beach. Very good. What else? Give me more. Beach. What else? You can go for a swim in the beach. And another one. Lake. Correct. Very good. Next.
With me.
Okay. What is it?
With me.
All right. Okay, potato, are you there? Are you okay now? Ready now? Oh, unmute. Unmute first. I cannot hear.
swim in swimming pool.
Oh, swim in the swimming pool. Correct. You go to the beach. You can swim in the beach. You can swim on the lake. You can swim also in the swimming pool. Potato, among the three choices, where do you want to swim? Where do you want to swim?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Are you good in swimming? Very good in
No.
swim? No. Oh no. You're gonna drown. You have to use safe vest. Okay. You have to use that one when you go there. Okay. Potato, how about this one? Where can we catch buses? Where can we ride on a bus? Where should I go? Okay.
Me.
Okay. Are you finding answers now? Okay, now let's answer now. Because we have few minutes left already. Come on.
Me.
Okay. Go. Okay, now we don't have any more time, Potato. Come on, let's answer the last one. Where can we catch buses? Where can Potato ride a bus? Can you ride a bus in school?
No.
Where? Where can we ride the bus? In the? Where? In the bus?
Countryside.
Countryside. All right. If you go to the countryside, you can ride
City.
in the city. Yeah. You go to the station. Okay. In the bus station. All right. Okay. So if Potato wants to catch a bus, Potato must go to the bus station or in the bus stop. Okay. So Potato, if you go to the countryside, do you ride a bus in the countryside? Huh? Yes. Okay. If you go to the city, do you also ride the bus?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So if Potato wants to go to the countryside or to the city, Potato must go to the bus station. Okay? Bus station is where you can catch a bus. Okay, so Potato, we will continue Unit 21 next meeting. We are just in the first activity of the Unit 21 and we don't have enough time to continue all of the lessons. So we're gonna have it next session. But first, before I end the class, I want to congratulate Potato. Very good for tonight. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good for tonight because Potato did a great job. Very good in answering. You're so good tonight, okay? Keep up the good work. Teacher is very happy for today because you were able to answer all the questions correctly. Okay? That's good. All right. So next time we will have more readings and read slowly, okay? Slowly and carefully, okay? Very good in comprehension. Okay. So that would be all for today, my dear Potato. Goodbye for tonight. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Keep up the good work. Very good for tonight. Okay. Did great. You did great. Okay. Bye bye. See you next time, Potato. Goodbye.